Hey, what's up, guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. And guys, as you know, the Jio AGM meeting, that is the Annual General Meeting 2020, has been completed now. So, some of the important tech updates has been released from the Jio company. So, we are going to see that important tech updates in this video. So, let's get started. This is the Reliance 43rd Annual General Meeting, and this event is being completed totally virtual. It has been 4 years since the Jio has been launched. The famous multinational companies have invested in Jio company. Like Google has invested around 33,000 crores in Jio, and Facebook has invested around 43,574 crores in the Jio company. The Reliance chairman have said that they are working on the Jio 5G solution. They have developed this Jio 5G solution from scratch. And he also told that it is a part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme which has been launched by the Prime Minister, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this Jio 5G solution is totally made in India. As soon as the 5G spectrum will launch in India, the Jio company is saying that they will immediately launch the Jio 5G network in the Indian country. Jio is also working on the Jio TV Plus. This Jio TV Plus is an OTT platform. In Jio TV Plus, we'll find all the contents that we find in the Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Hotstar, and Vimeo, and some of the other OTT platforms. So more than 20 plus OTT platforms have been included in this Jio TV Plus application, which you can stream using the Jio set-top box. And there is also a good news for the developers. Jio is also launching its Jio Developers scheme that you can visit by using the developers.jio.com website. The developers can develop their own app and you can be a part of the Jio company. Jio also launched their Jio Glass. This is a 3D based glass. This Jio Glass weighs only 75 grams and personalized audio is inbuilt in this Jio Glass. Means you can hear the audio directly from this Jio Glass without any external equipment. This Jio Glass is useful for the people who conduct the meetings. With this Jio Glass, you can see directly the 3D characters and the 2D characters, and the holographic classes can be conducted using this Jio Glass. And the next one is a Jio Meet. I think you know about this Jio Meet. This is an alternative for the Zoom app and also for Google Meet app. And this app is totally made in India. As you know, in the Zoom app, we have the call duration limit and the number of people who participated in the call meeting will be also limited. But in the Jio Meet app, you don't have any call duration and there is no limit to the number of people to attend a meeting or attend a class at the same time in the Jio Meet application. And doctors consultancy is also included in this Jio Meet app. Also, Jio Mart has been announced in this AGM meeting. This is an alternative for the Flipkart app and the Amazon app. This Jio Mart is totally made in Indian application. And the chairman of the Reliance company, that is Mukesh Ambani, have announced a new slogan that is Jio 2G Move. That means all the users who are using the 2G network should be upgraded to the 4G network or even 5G network in the upcoming days. For this, the Jio has taken a partnership with the Google company. That is, as you know, in the Jio Phone 1 and the Jio Phone 2, we'll have the KaiOS operating system. That is the own operating system made by the Jio company. But in the upcoming Jio phones, we'll find the Android operating system based phones, as the Jio has taken a partnership with the Google Android operating system. And also so many rumors came that they will launch the Jio Phone 3 in the AGM meeting, but unfortunately they have not launched the Jio Phone 3, but they have just given a hint that in the upcoming days we're going to launch a new smartphone by the scheme Jio 2G Move. And this is a tech recap of the Reliance AGM meeting 2020 edition. And that's all from this video. If you find this very informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you want to comment in the comment box below, because I'll already differently answer those questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's it from me today. See you next time.